Hello everyone, how are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. This is your messages from your divine masculine to the divine feminine, the DM to the DF, for twin flame reading, for twin flame journey who are not in contact with each other. So let's see what are the messages your divine masculine wants to say to the divine feminines, and what are the energies, okay, what are their next actions, okay, what are the blockages, and what are the messages from the universe, what are the signs. So I hope it resonates with you, but if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest, because this is the general collective messages, energies, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. So let's start the reading and let's see what are the messages, what does they want to say, okay, to the divine feminines, okay. So let's start. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Please help me out to deliver the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine. What are the messages from the divine masculine? What does they want to say to the divine feminines for this reading? Please help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages? Okay. What are the messages for the divine feminine from the divine masculine? Please give me the messages. They want to say but they are not saying it. Maybe they dial your call but they cut the call. They type you the message but they delete it. So they want to say things to you but they delete it. So they are not gaining the confidence to contact you. Okay. See, that's the thing. So I told you that they want to say, they want to talk. Too many messages. Okay. No, I'm not going to pick it. So they want to talk to you, divine feminines. They want to message you, but they delete it every time. See, they message you, but they delete it because they don't have right now enough confidence to contact you, basically. Any other message from the divine masculine? Please give me the messages. Please give me the messages from the divine masculine. Any other message? Okay. Any other message? So let's see. They need more time to figure things out. Okay. I need more time to figure things out. So they need more time to figure things out. They want to contact you, they want to message you, they want to call you. Maybe they dial your number and but they cut it. Okay, they type the message but they delete it. That's the feeling, that's the message which I am getting here for you. Then there is, you never give up on me. Okay, so they feel very good that you divine feminines never give up on them. Okay, you love me, you love me, you are smart and practical. You are my home. So they feel home with you. They think that you are the home for them. There is, you respect everything I like. Okay. You respect everything I like. 0440 was the recording reading time. Okay. You sound sexy over the phone. So they love your voice, divine feminines, and they found it very sexy. So they love your voice. Then there is, I am feeling the consequences of my action. I feel badly for the way I treated you. You did not deserve that. So they're not feeling good at all. They are feeling the consequences of their action, and they know that they have treated you very badly. You did not deserve that. Okay, you did not deserve that. They're already feeling the consequences of their action. So these are the messages from this deck. Let's see what are the messages from the divine masculine. What are the messages from the divine masculine? What are the messages? So they are doing the healing work. Okay, I'm healing my inner child. You are healing my soul without realizing it. So they are doing the healing work here. Okay, that's why they are saying that I need more time to figure things out, because they are doing the healing here. Okay, they are doing the healing. They're doing the healing of their inner child, and they also want to tell you that you heal their soul even if you don't realize that, but you heal their soul. Okay, then there is, thank you for loving me unconditionally. Thank you for loving me. See, you love me, and thank you for loving me unconditionally. So they know that you love them, and they want to thank you to love them unconditionally. Okay, you love me, thank you for loving me unconditionally. They're feeling very much loved, I can say. There is no one else like you who touched my soul. So no one else has touched the soul of them. Okay, so they know that no one else compares to you, no one else touched the soul, okay, of the divine masculine. That's the thing they want to say to you. Please don't be scared, I'm not going anywhere. So they want to tell you that don't be scared, divine feminines. Okay, they are not going anywhere. They are not going anywhere, because they want to tell you, I'm running away because I feel unworthy of your love. But please don't be scared, I'm not going anywhere. Okay, I am not going anywhere. They are running because they feel unworthy of your love, because they know that you love them unconditionally. So please don't be scared, I'm not going anywhere. There is, you give me hope. I am more sensitive than you think. You give me hope. So you give them hope, okay, divine feminines. So they are more sensitive than you think. I am building a solid foundation. I have never forgotten you. So if you think that they have forgotten you, so they want to tell you that they have never forgotten you here. Okay, they are building a solid foundation. Okay, and then there is, can you feel me when I am kissing you? So they're trying to connect with you on 5D level. So they want to tell you maybe that do you feel divine feminines when they kiss you here? So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see more messages. What does divine masculine wants to say? Okay, let's see. What are the messages from the divine masculine? Please give me the messages. What are the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine? Okay, what are the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine? What does they want to say? You hold me like you never want me to go. Okay, you hold me like you never want me to go. You can guess what I'm going to say. Your voice resonates deeply in my soul. So they love your voice, that is for sure. They found your voice. Uh, they can feel your voice basically, okay? They find your voice very sexy over the phone. Your voice resonate deeply in their soul. So they deeply, that means they remember your voice, okay? They love your voice basically, divine feminines, okay? So your voice resonates deeply in my soul, okay? And then there is, you support me in my interest and hobbies, okay? The same message here, that you give me hope, you give me strength, okay? Then there is, you keep little mementos of things we have done. So they love this thing, that you keep the little things, whatever they you both have done together, you keep that things together here, okay? Then there is, you are my inspiration. You gave me hope, okay? You gave me hope. You are my inspiration. You gave me hope. You are my inspiration. Beautiful message, divine feminines, beautiful. Then there is, you are always there when I need you. You are always there when I need you. Let's see more messages from the divine masculine. Any other thing they want to tell? Okay. You appreciate me. 1144 was the recording reading time. You put up with my moodiness and all other imperfectionness, okay? Then they want to say, I can lose myself in the depth of your eyes. So they love looking towards you, into your eyes. So they love your eyes basically. They love looking towards in your eyes basically, into your eyes. You hold the key to my heart. You hold the key to my heart. When I am with you, I can be myself. So these are the messages which they want to tell here, okay, for you. This is beautiful messages. They want to contact you, but they are unable to contact you. So these are the messages which I'm getting here. So let's see what are the messages from the universe to the divine feminine. What are the messages universe wants to say? Let's see, what does universe wants to say to the divine feminine? Please help me out to deliver the messages. What does universe wants to say? Okay. Work on your soul purpose as soon as possible, divine feminines. Do your soul searching and uncover what you truly desires, and work on your soul purpose as soon as possible. That's the thing which universe wants to say to you, okay? They want you to find out your soul purpose as soon as possible and work on that, okay? Do your soul searching and discover what's your soul purpose and work on your soul purpose as soon as possible, okay? And there is, engage in spiritual cleansing of body, mind and soul. And you are not alone. We are working with you, okay? If you're thinking that you are alone, so you are not alone, divine feminines, okay? Universe, the divine is with you, and engage yourself into spiritual cleansing of body, mind and soul. And maybe you can see the number synchronicities of 1441. That can be a possibility here, okay? 1441, that can be a possibility. So these are the messages. Then there is, write your thoughts and innermost desires in the journal. And there is, stay in your power. Learn to love your body and embrace it, okay? Self-love is indicated. Love yourself first. Learn to love your body and embrace it. Stay in your power. So these are the messages which I am getting for you from the universe. Thank you, universe, for giving the messages. Let's see what are the blockages in your twin flame journey. Apply these blockages according to your condition, and if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it. but apply it according to your journey. So let's see. Please give me the blockages for this reading. Please give me the blockages. What are the blockages for this reading? Help me out to give the blockages. What are the blockages? Okay. Too many blockages this time. Okay. Maybe some of you are still in chaser form. Okay. Stop chasing your divine masculine. Okay. Stop chasing your divine masculine. You are still into a chaser form. There is lustful and there is hurting inside. So either these are the blockages here, and maybe you can see the number synchronicities of 606. Okay, 6006 can be a number synchronicity for you. So maybe you are hurting inside. Some of you are sneaky and deceptive. Either your divine masculine is sneaky and deceptive, or the divine feminine is sneaky and deceptive. But someone is sneaky and deceptive here. Okay, and there is superstitious. So either you are superstitious divine feminines or the divine masculine. Apply according to your situation. Okay, there is change your perspective. You need to change your perspective. See the picture from a different perspective, from a higher perspective. Okay, change your perspective. Then there is indecisive. So some of you are still indecisive. You have not decided yet what you want from the universe. Okay, so be decisive, take decision. And there is someone who is disloyal. Okay, so someone is here who is disloyal here. So these are the messages. These are the blockages for you. So let's see what are the messages from the twin flame tarot deck. Okay, let's see what are the messages. Please give me the messages for this reading. What are the messages for this reading? What are the messages? What are the messages for this reading? Please help me out to deliver the messages. Too many messages. No, I'm not going to take it. Okay, so you are in a process of transformation. Okay, your twin flame is right now not ready, but you can help them awaken, because you are in a process of transformation. The metaphors is okay. So you are in a process of transformation. They are not right now ready. That's why they said that they need more time. Okay, they need more time to get ready, because your twin flame is not yet ready. Okay, let me see. Where is that? They need more time to figure things out, because they are not ready. Your twin flame is not ready, but you can help them awaken here. Okay, they need more time to get ready. And because why they are not ready? Because you are in a process of transformation. Metaphors. Okay, let's see more messages for this reading. Any other message for this reading? Any other message for this reading? Give me the messages. Bottom of the deck, I'm having new beginnings. New beginnings are coming for you, divine feminines and the divine masculines, whoever is watching this video. So get ready for the new beginnings. There is a soulmate. They are helping you out to grow. So either divine masculine is dealing with a soulmate. Soulmate can be a karmic soulmate or a soulmate, but someone is dealing with a soulmate, or the divine feminine is having a soulmate, but they are helping you out to grow. Basically, they're making ready for you for your twin flame. So whatever soulmate if you are having in your life, or your divine masculine is having in your life, 1919 was the recording reading time, they are making you ready for your twin flame basically. Okay, see, transformation. There is fear. You have to get out of your fear box. Okay, if you're still in a fear, you need to get out of that fear box. That's the message I'm getting here. Then there is energy cleansing your system to open to possibility, okay, to open to positivity. That's why here the message was same from the universe, that engage into spiritual cleansing of body, mind and soul. You need to cleanse yourself. Energy clearing is required, divine feminines or the divine masculine, whoever is watching this video. You need to cleanse yourself. Energy cleansing is required. And here I'm having inner child. See, unresolved wounds and issues, inner child. And the same message your divine masculine was telling you, that they are doing the healing of their inner child issues. Okay, they are doing, I am healing my inner child. Can you see, I'm healing my inner child? And here I'm getting the same message, inner child. So they have to heal their inner child. And if you are divine feminines, if you are having inner child issues, inner child wounds, so you need to heal your inner child. But I can see that your divine masculine is having inner child issues, and they are already working on the healing part. They're already healing their inner child issues here. So this is beautiful, I can say that. Then there is guidance. Pay attention to signs, divine communication. So divine, the universe is trying to communicate with you. 2112 was the recording reading time. Pay attention to the signs, number synchronicities or the feathers or any other thing. So they are trying to communicate with you. They're trying to give you guidance. Okay, so follow them. Pay attention to the signs. Then there is soul mission. Focus on your soul mission. Again the same message is here. This is very important message. Work on your soul mission as soon as possible. Once you start working on your soul mission, okay, the things will be better for you, divine feminines or the divine masculine, whoever is watching this video. You are here on this planet earth with a soul mission. Okay, so work on your soul mission. There is beautiful message. You need to focus on your soul mission. Work on your soul mission as soon as possible. Then there is transformation. Transformation is always beautiful. Can you see, you are in a process of transformation, and transformation is taking place in your life. Okay, don't worry, once you will be ready, your twin flame will be entering in your life. But there is a new beginning. There are new beginnings. New doors are opening up for you. New beginnings are coming up for you. So these are the messages from this deck. These are the beautiful messages. I love the messages. So these are the messages. Let's see what are the messages from Whispers of Love. What are the messages for this reading? Please help me out. Guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages for this reading. What is the message for this reading? Okay. Maybe you can see the number synchronicities of 444. Okay. Be in the present and dream of the future. When we dream, everything is possible. So you need to be live in right now moment. Okay, when you live in right now present moment, things will be better for you in the future. So be in the present and dream of the future. So that's the message I'm getting here. Then there is be supportive. Make a genuine effort to show that you care. Okay, you need to be supportive to your divine masculine or anyone around you. Be supportive so that they can get the genuine effort that you care. Then there is get to know each other. Learn to meet each other's need for love. So you need to get to know each other. So these are the 3 messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from Lovers Oracle. What are the messages for this reading? It's difficult to shuffle this deck. Okay, but I love this deck. This is beautiful deck, I can say that. Okay, let's see what are the messages. Help me out to deliver the messages which are important for this reading. Please give me the messages which I need to deliver. What are the messages? I don't know why I took that last card, but I just want to take it. Okay. So, life is a series of constantly shifting cycles. When we resist change, we resist the natural flow of life and create unnecessary stress. Go with the flow. You will be surprised where it leads. So, just go with the flow, divine feminines. Okay, beautiful things are coming for you. You just need to go with the flow. There is acceptance is a key to inner peace. At times we must accept things as they are. There is no point trying to change that is beyond our control. Okay, so you have to accept things as they are. Then there is let there will be closeness between you, but always give each other space. Love never claims, it simply allows and gives. Okay, so this is beautiful message. Then there is secret admirer. Someone has deeper feelings for you than they are letting on. So there is a secret admirer for you here, divine feminines or the divine masculine, but there is someone who is secretly admiring you. Then there is scared union. Honor and treasure your relationship, for it is truly scared. This is beautiful. This is a divine union. This is a scared union. Can you see how beautiful this is? So you need to honor and treasure your relationship, for it is truly scared. This is truly divine. This is truly pure, blessed. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the emotions your divine masculine right now having. They are bored. Okay, let's see what are the emotions they are right now. What are the emotions? They are longing for you. They are bored. What are the emotion divine masculine is having? They are very desperate to meet you. Okay, so what are the emotions divine masculine right now are in? Please tell me what are the emotions. And they are very frustrated too, because they want to meet you. Okay, let's see what are the emotion divine masculine is in right now. Please tell me what are the emotions divine masculine are in right now. So they are feeling very excited, but they're feeling lonely. Okay, any other emotion you want me to tell for divine masculine? Any other emotions? Too many. Okay. Any other emotions they are? Please tell me if there is any other thing. No. See, bottom of the deck I'm having bored again. So they are feeling very bored here. Okay, they are feeling very bored. They are feeling very bored. They are, some of these divine masculines are in the grief or regretful. Okay, they're feeling very regretful and the grief mode. Okay, because they know that they have treated you wrong. You did not deserve that. They told you that they know that they have treated you wrong. Okay, they know that, they tell you that they know that they have treated you wrong, and for that they're feeling regretful. They already feeling the consequences of their action. They told you this, that I'm already feeling the consequences. I am feeling the consequences of my action. Okay, they told you this, I am feeling the consequences of my action. So they're feeling very regretful, they're feeling the grief. Okay, and they're resistant. I told you they are resistant. They want to text you, they want to message you, they want to WhatsApp you, they want to call you. They just type it and they delete it. They stop themselves. Okay, they feel they're resisting themselves, they're stopping themselves. There is safe, so they're feeling very secure right now, feeling protected here. And they are feeling very lonely. Maybe they are with many people, they are in a group of people, but they're feeling lonely even if they are surrounded by a lot of people here. And some of you, Some of the divine masculines are very excited here. Can you see? That can be a possibility here. So these are the messages which I'm getting here. Let's see. Thank you for giving the message. Let's see what are the messages for this reading from the true love. What are the messages for this reading? Please give me the messages. I was getting this message, distorted masculine. So some masculines are still very stubborn. Okay, they're still the distorted one. They're still distorted masculine. They need to be the divine masculine. So they are working on themselves. They need more time. Okay, then there is compatibility here. Any other message for this reading? Okay, start working on your creativity. Beautiful. There is compatibility, there is serendipity. Lot of beautiful good luck is coming for you right now. You are on a higher level, say compatibility. So your divine masculine is right now the distorted masculine. Right now you are spiritually more awakened, balanced. You have healed your inner work, you have done your inner work, you have healed your wounds. 3113 was the recording reading time. So they have to be the divine masculine here. Then there is boundaries. Set up healthy boundaries around yourself, divine feminines. There is intimacy and there is abundance. Okay, so balance the flow, physical flow of intimacy, and lot of abundance is coming towards you. So spiritual maturity is also coming towards you, because you are doing the manifestation here. Can you see? You are in your power, divine feminine. You are the divine feminine, and your masculine is right now in the distorted masculine. You are the divine feminine. So keep doing your manifestation. Whatever manifestation you are doing, that is going to be come true in your life. So can you see? They need more time to become the divine masculine. So give them time and work on yourself, work on your soul purpose here, divine feminines. Okay, they have to become the divine masculine to be on the same level. Okay, to match the frequencies. Right now you are the divine feminines, you are in your power, but let them be the divine masculine. Okay, give them time. So these are the messages from this deck. Let's see these messages from the heart. What are the next action they want to take? What is the next action divine masculine wants to take? What is the next action divine masculine wants to take? Let's see. Okay. No, not from this deck. No, not from this deck. Let's see the next action from this deck. Okay. Let's see. What is the next action? They are spying on you, Page of Swords. They're keeping tabs on you through social media apps. They are spying what my divine feminines are up to. Okay. So let's see. What are the next actions of the divine masculine towards divine feminines? 10 of Cups. Beautiful. They want to create happy family, happy life with you. What is the next step divine masculine wants to take? But they are right now feeling restricted. Can you see? There was restricted because they are in their, maybe they are in their own mind thoughts, because they are not ready right now. Okay, they are not ready right now, resistant. So they are feeling restricted, trapped in their own mind thoughts. There is 9 of Wands, 9 of Fire. That means, what is the next step divine masculine wants to take towards divine feminines? What is the next step divine masculine? Okay, they are having confusion with the moon card here. Can you see? The moon is here and there is 10 of Fire. So they are releasing all the burdens which they are carrying on their shoulders. They are releasing here. They're completing a cycle with the 9 of Wands and the 10 of Wands here. Then there is Hermit. So they are doing the soul searching here. They are in a hermit mode. They are doing the healing. They are doing the soul searching. They are asking their souls what their souls want. There is two of fire here, that means two of wands. So they are deciding, okay, that they are asking about to their soul that what their souls want here. Seven of earth, okay, seven of pentacles, messenger of fire, and queen of water. Okay, let me see more. Any other, what is the next step divine masculine wants to take? You may be dealing with a water sign. That can be a possibility. Lot of water, air, okay, and earth. I can see that. Temptation. So yes, whatever toxicity, can you see king of water and queen of cups, both are here. So yes, you can be dealing with some water sign, earth sign, air sign, fire sign, okay. That can be a person. All signs are here, I can say that, but water sign prominent is here, okay. So they are finding you as an empress. Can you see? They find you as an empress and they want to message you, but they are trapped into the temptation here. They are going to give you a message here. This is messenger of water, messenger of cup, emotional message. They are want to give you message here with the messenger of air. All messengers are here: messenger of fire, messenger of earth, messenger of water. You ignite the passion in them, okay. So they are going to message you here. They want to create 10 of cups with you, happy family, happy life. But right now they are in a hermit mode. They're asking, they're deciding that what their souls want to, okay. They see you as someone who is an empress, and they see that you are not right now emotionally available, okay. They know that you will cut them if they tell you any lies, cheating, manipulation. You will cut them immediately with the king of swords. So they know that. But see, eight of fire, eight of wands, lot of communication is coming towards you. They want to communicate with you, but they want to communicate with you, but they know that if they lie with you, you will cut them immediately, okay. But communication is coming towards you. So beautiful actions they want to take towards you. Let's see what are the messages. Thank you for giving the messages. Okay, let's see what are the messages from this deck. Coming together, can you see? They want to come together. Let's see what are the messages from this deck for this reading. What are the messages for this reading? Again, temptation. What are the messages for this reading? So your third chakra, your third eye chakra is getting activated here. Okay, so seek the truth, clarity of belief. So clarity of belief, they are going to get the belief here. They will get the clarity. They will seek the truth here, okay. They will see the truth. They will see the truth. Right now they are going through some kind of temptation, that is for sure. Again, the same message is here with the temptation here, with the master here. So this is a devil energy. Some kind of temptation is here, some kind of toxicity, I can say that, okay. But some kind of temptation is here which they are going through. Some kind of devil energy, some kind of temptation is they are facing right now, okay. So this can be your energy too, okay. This can be a possibility, but I can see this from your divine masculine side, okay. So that's what I'm having. Then there is control, rebuild, and nurture. So you have to rebuild your heart. Can you see? Rebuild is here. There is control. They know that they have to rebuild this relationship. That's why they are telling you that they are rebuilding this beautiful connection on a solid basis. Nurture this relationship, nurture yourself, and there is control here, okay. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the signs which you may be dealing with. They can be a Scorpio here. I told you there is a heavy Leo, Scorpio, Virgo, Sagittarius. What are the signs here? Please tell me the signs. Aquarius, Gemini, not Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, Capricorn, Aries. Okay, any other sign? Any other sign? Taurus can be a possibility. Cancer is here. So Cancer, Scorpio can be a possibility in a water sign here. Okay. There is a Taurus, Virgo. And there is Sagittarius, Leo. Then there is Capricorn, Aries. And they can be Gemini and Libra here. So these can be signs which you may be dealing with. I hope I help you out in some manner. I know this reading is too lengthy for today, but there are more messages which I'm getting for you, and I will make another video for that. Okay, so till the time, take care of yourself. I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Till the time, take care of yourself and see you soon.